Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So before we get started, make sure to hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel. In this video, we will talk about beginner's guide to makeup. So make sure to watch the full video. Have you ever painstakingly applied makeup only to feel like the end result isn't as you had been expecting? Does it feel like there is something amiss and your makeup does not look quite so flawless? Applying makeup is an art that can completely transform you, but there are certain rules that you need to follow. This is where you will need to have access to a proper guide on step-by-step makeup for beginners. Makeup for beginners, the basics. The most important thing to remember when it comes to applying flawless makeup is that you need to follow a general order of products. This will help you ensure that you achieve the most beautiful end result. We know that makeup is a form of expression for a lot of people, and many of you enjoy the creative freedom of trying out different things. But following a makeup step-by-step guide will make you flawless each time. Each one of us has our very own style and preferences, but the basics of nailing your makeup, in whatever kind you like, be it simple or intricate, are the same. This guide on how to do makeup at home for beginners is for all those of you who wonder whether you should apply concealer before or after the foundation. You have come to the right place, and we will help you get it perfect each time. Keep reading to learn about the best order in which to apply your makeup, starting from the face to the eyes and lips as well, along with the list of makeup products for beginners. Step-by-step guide for beginners. Here is how to apply makeup step-by-step for beginners. 1. Prep your skin with a CTM routine. Remember, makeup looks a lot more flawless and a lot less cakey on skin that is naturally smooth and conditioned. Following a thorough skincare routine is the answer to naturally glowing and flawless-looking skin. The first step should always be washing your face using a gentle yet effective cleanser to rid your skin of dirt, oil, and impurities. Next, in order to balance the fade levels of your skin post-cleansing, use a fade balancing toner. A toner also helps tighten your pores and improve skin texture. Follow that up with a hydrating moisturizer to prevent the makeup from drying your skin, and also ensure that it looks great all day long. The Simple Kind to Skin Hydrating Light Moisturizer keeps the skin underneath your makeup healthy and prevents it from looking cakey. 2. Use a primer. If you want your makeup to look fresh and not melt all through the day, never skip using a primer. Primer, like the Lakme Absolute Blur Perfect Makeup Primer, helps blur your pores and makes your skin an even canvas for all your makeup to go on. This is because a primer helps smoothen out fine lines and pores for your makeup to wear more evenly throughout the day. Always pick a matte finish primer if you have oily skin and apply it all over your face or to targeted areas, depending on your skin's specific concerns. 3. Apply a foundation. Next, start by applying a little bit of foundation to make your skin look flawless and your skin tone even. It is very important that you pick a shade of foundation that is the closest match to your actual skin tone, as picking the wrong shade can make you look ghostly and weird. Also, pick a foundation based on your skin type. People with oily skin should go for a matte finish foundation, like the Lakme Absolute Natural Skin Natural Mousse 16 Hours. On the other hand, if you have dry skin, a radiant finish foundation, like the Lakme Absolute Skin Dew Serum Foundation, might be a better option. Use a sponge or brush to apply the foundation for a natural, airbrushed finish. 4. Conceal problem areas with a concealer. While following the makeup step-by-step guide, the next step is to conceal all the problem areas of your face using a concealer, especially the under-eye area. You can either use a shade that is the closest match to your skin tone, or pick one that is one shade lighter to help highlight the area. Lakme Absolute White Intense Liquid Concealer to even out the skin and conceal skin imperfections. Use the included applicator to blend and buff the concealer into your skin and blend it using a sponge. Set this base makeup using a compact powder to keep sweat away. 5. Sweep on some blush. Blush is that part of the makeup that helps add a flush of color to your face. It gives you a healthy glow and makes you look like you have just come back from a jog. You can use natural pink shades or use something more vibrant, depending on your mood. But always pick a shade and formulation, such as the Lakme Absolute Face Stylist Blush Duos. Rose blush to suit your natural skin tone and skin type. This will ensure that the blush looks natural and is not made up at all. 6. Time for some eyeshadow. Now is the correct time to apply eyeshadow. Start with dusting some neutral color onto your entire lids. You can then pick a dark shade and apply it to the crease. This will help intensify your eyes and add a lot of depth and dimension. Remember to take the lightest shade from your eyeshadow palette and apply it to your brow bone to complete the look. If using multiple eyeshadows seems like a daunting task to you while doing makeup step by step, then simply pick a color you love from the Lakme Absolute Infinity Eyeshadow Palette, Coral Sunset, and sweep it all over your lid for instantly beautiful eyes. 7. Eyeliner, kajal, and mascara. To finish off your eye makeup, take liquid eyeliner, such as the Lakme Iconic Liner Pen Fine Tip. Black. You can create a wing or draw a simple line. This will instantly make your eyes look bigger and brighter. Next, apply some Lakme Iconic Kajal to your waterline and finish it up with mascara. This will give you fluttery lashes and tie your entire eye makeup together. 8. Wear your favorite shade of lipstick. Before you wear lipstick, it is important to wear a lip liner. Lining your lips can help prevent color from bleeding out or feathering. Choose a lip liner that's the same shade as your lipstick and outline the natural line of your lips to help make your pout look fuller. You can also color your lips with liner before applying the lipstick to help create a smooth base. What do you think of our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.